I'm Billy Aluwalia, HS2's Senior Project Manager of the Colne Valley Viaduct. We are at the end of Hayfield Lake number 2. So the viaduct has gone across 3 lakes, Corder Lake, Savay, and it's completed coming across Hayfield Lake number 2. So all of the 11 lake spans have been completed and we've hit landfall towards the back end of the Colne Valley Viaduct. The Longigirder, the big red machine that you see behind me, erects segments either side of the pier. The method of construction here is balanced cantilever. It has 2 winches at the top. It brings the segments along and places each of the segments either side of the previously placed segments. We then glue them together, temporarily connect them, and then we thread steel cables to create post tensioning, which is the reinforcement that strengthens the viaduct itself. So we've got 2 types of post tensioning on this particular viaduct. Inside the segments themselves, we have what is called external post tensioning or unbonded, and that's essentially running steel wire strands through, stressing them as reinforcement. Within the concrete section of the segment or the viaduct, we have what is known as bonded post tensioning. Again, a similar process. When we join these spans together, we run steel cables through, stress them, and they add reinforcement to the viaduct. And then the Longigirder moves forward and we repeat the process on an ongoing basis. So we've got some 450 meters of the deck segments to be erected. Once we've completed that, behind we're starting to erect and construct the robust curbs. On the outer edges of the viaduct, we place ultra-high performance fiber reinforced concrete parapets. So this viaduct is 3.4 kilometers long end to end, and it goes through wooded areas, open land areas, such as where we are at the moment, and over water bodies or the lakes as they're known. So the design of the viaduct's been created so that we can respond to the various site conditions sensibly and sensitively. And it's not just a caterpillar crawling across the landscape, but it moves along through the wooded areas or land areas and then mimics a skipping zone over the lakes itself. The design is very elegant, and it will be one of the viaducts that people can come and marvel at what we've constructed.